The laundry is the workhorse of the household. Although it needs to be practical, with clever design, it can be both functional and stylish. Look at this laundry with some unique storage options and a bright colour scheme. It's a place where you won't mind spending a little time. Want this in your home? In this video, I'm going to show you how to rejuvenate your laundry. This laundry has seen better days. There's little or no storage, it was dull and uninviting. With a savvy budget and some clever storage and new floor coverings, it's much more functional and stylish. This industrial theme makeover is an easy look to pull together. It's cost effective and it draws its inspiration from raw and basic materials. Perfect. We opted to keep the layout the same. Not moving the plumbing and electrical services saves time and, importantly, money. First things first, we need to see what we can keep and what we need to replace and what you'd like to add. We've retained the existing trough and bench and given them a liquor paint. This laundry lacks storage. This D.I.Y open cube storage is a great solution. A hanging rail over the sink follows the industrial theme and is ideal for drying washing. The ironing board is always difficult to house, but this wall-mounted option solves that. This new metallic splashback is a real eye-catcher, and with a fresh colour palette, this space is instantly updated. Once you've done some planning, it's time for the fun to begin. Head into store to choose your colours, fixtures and fittings. First up, choose your colour palette. If your laundry is small, it's a really good idea to keep colours to a minimum so that it doesn't take over the space. We opted for a monochrome scheme with a bright, fresh pop of yellow. This tones in perfectly with the greys and whites and is a happy choice. It's cost effective and it's exactly the industrial twist we were looking for. New tapware can make a big difference and really help tie the whole look together. The cross tap design is a modern take on an old classic. They're a great quality and fit with the overall look. If you wanted to try something else and still keep the same industrial look and feel, you could try these and go raw on the galvanised pipe fittings. The flooring needs to be durable and suitable for a wet area. Vinyl is an ideal choice. It comes in a range of colours, shapes and styles. It can be designed to look like concrete tiles, timber planks, and it's quick and easy to install yourself. If you've got a bigger budget to work with, it's worth checking out tiles, but remember to keep the colour neutral. Splashbacks can make a dramatic impact and can be quite easy to apply yourself. We opted for a thin profile mosaic metallic sheet which can be stuck onto the existing tiles and that complements the industrial look of our laundry. Traditional tiles would also work well. For example, a subway tile with charcoal grout would be great in this space. They are easy to lay and are budget friendly. Painting tiles is another budget friendly option. We all know that storage is key to laundry happiness. We built the cubes as a project, but Bunnings also has a fantastic range of ready-made storage options that are well worth considering. Then, add an individual touch to your rejuvenation with some inventive D.I.Y projects, like this unique ironing board holder. Find out how to do this in the D.I.Y section. So, give your laundry a facelift, like this one, so it has a fresh new look and plenty of clever storage options.
Thanks for watching. You'll find everything you need to complete your project on our website, or keep watching for more videos.